To feel the air is to feel free. It's knowing that everything is flowing and will stand the test of time. That is the vacuum packing process, an additional feature whose capacity and versatility generates tastes that last. Welcome to the additional features from Fagor Professional. In this video, we're going to prepare 2 vacuum-packed recipes with our iKORE oven. We'll start with a hollandaise sauce to add to English muffins. Afterwards, we will cook quails with garnish. Let's get started on the hollandaise sauce. Put all the ingredients in a vacuum bag. 3 tablespoons of the vinegar reduction, the butter, the egg yolks, the water, the lemon juice and the salt. Then close the bag by heat sealing it and put it in the oven at 64 degrees Celsius for 1 hour. Wait until the oven signals that the additional feature has finished. To serve, take the sauce out of the bag, put it in a blender and blend at medium speed until an emulsion forms. Once browned, add the bacon and position an egg poached at low temperature. Finally, pour the sauce over and decorate with chopped chives. Enjoy! Time for the second recipe. First, season the quails with salt and pepper. Then sear them over a high heat on both sides. Set them aside and start making the garnish. Cut the carrots into half discs and add them to the frying pan where you seared the quails. Cut the onion in brunoise and add it to the pan. Do the same with the garlic. Let the vegetables cook for a couple of minutes without browning. Then add the liquids and the herbs and cook for 10 minutes. Take it off the heat and let it cool down. Before putting it all in the oven, vacuum pack it and preheat the oven with the vacuum additional feature, selecting the quail pigeon recipe. When the oven signals that the required temperature, 64 degrees Celsius, has been reached, put the quails in. Meanwhile, continue with the vegetables. Put the baby carrots and peeled shallots in a vacuum bag with a sprig of rosemary, oil and salt, and heat seal the bag. Moving over to the oven, choose the vacuum cooking additional feature to cook the vegetable. Put them in when the oven indicates. Once the process is finished, open the bags and separate the meat, the vegetables and the marinade. Do the same with the vegetable garnish. To complete the dish, reduce the marinade until it has the desired texture and arrange the quail on a plate with the garnish.